seconds. Five seconds. Start. Sir, what I am saying is that economic policies today should be really radically changed. I was shocked and we were shocked by the advocacy in favor of monopoly capitalism. No wonder Mr. J.R.D. Tata and Mr. K.K. Birla and others are making statements acclaiming your economic policies. They are, on the one hand, bolstering you, helping you in many ways, and applauding you, and on the other hand, they are also helping the counter revolutionary forces. This is the technique of the monopoly capital today. They have two strings to their bow. They want to build forces in the opposition and forces within the government so that in the bargain it is they who gain and the nation suffers. That is what is happening. I should like in this connection to dispute what Mr. Subramaniam said by his economic jugglery. No amount of economic jugglery will hide the facts of life. Your annual report of the Reserve Bank of India shows that stagnation in agricultural economy has taken place, and it also goes to tell us why this stagnation is taking place. Stagnation is taking place because richer sections in the agricultural economy, having kept all the benefits that you have pumped into the rural economy by rural credit inputs and other things, do not bother about raising the agricultural production. They are more interested in making quick money and quick profits. They are interested in exploiting the agricultural laborers and other sections of the toiling peasantry and in making money by speculation holding, which of course is helped by certain policies of the government. As a result, and because of this patronage that you received from the big people in the rural areas, you are not in a position today, not even in this budget, to tap the resources savings in the rural sector of the economy generated by heavy investment of nearly rupees 6,000 crores. That is why you don't adopt measures for tapping resources through agricultural income tax, whereby you could easily get 1,000 crores of rupees, and if you had got that money, it would not have been necessary for you to raise the excise duty to the level of rupees 3000 odd crores. In the industrial sector, what do we see? It is the monopoly capital which is deliberately stopping production, which is compelling you on the one hand to give them concessions in the name of incentive production, and on the other hand gaining extra super profit by raising the prices, creating artificial scarcities and starving the nation. That is what is happening. So friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you.